Hello students, this is Manikanta. In this class we will discuss about 9th class social studies chapter number 1, our earth. Okay? Today topic. Today we are going to discuss about the earth grid system. Okay? So our previous sessions we discussed about the process of the formation of the earth, and also we discussed about the movements of the earth crust and how it divides its external plates, outermost layer, that means crust. Okay, now we will see how it's shown on the maps and globes. Here it is a globe. On a globe, a network of the latitudes and longitudes is drawn. So both latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines, we already know. So this is called grids. So with the help of the grid system, we can locate the places and learn much about them. Next, first of all, we discuss about latitudes. First of all, the horizontal circle that goes around the globe exactly in the middle. It is the globe exactly in the middle, horizontal circle goes round the globe exactly in the middle at equal distance from north and south poles. And equal distance from north pole and south pole. This is called as equator. And it divides the earth into two parts. Okay, this is the circle designated as 0 degrees latitudes. From the equator going towards the poles are a series of parallel circles. From the equator these are series of parallel circles. Okay, from the equator going towards the poles are series of parallel circles, and each circle is called as latitudes. So latitudes values range from 0 means equator. Okay, equator to 90 degrees of the north pole and then 90 degrees of the south pole. Okay, equator is the largest among all the latitudes. This is the largest circle, and equator is the largest among all the latitudes, and latitudes are called as parallel lines because they are parallel to each other. This circle is parallel to this circle, so these both lines are parallel, these both lines are perpendicular. So we already know in our math sessions. Okay, so all the latitudes on either side gradually become smaller towards the pole. Comparing this circle to this circle is smaller, and it is smaller, gradually smaller, moving to the poles. At the poles, the 90 degrees north and 90 degrees south are not circles. At the poles, the 90 degrees north and 90 degrees south, not poles, they are just points. Okay, now equator divides earth into two parts. Half of the earth between equator and north pole is called northern hemisphere. Hemi means half. Earth was in the shape of sphere. Half of the sphere is hemisphere. Okay, so north part of the half sphere equal to northern hemisphere, and earth between the equator and south pole is called southern hemisphere. Okay, next, longitudes. It comes from Latin word longitudo means length. Longitude shows us the length or height of maps. So longitudes are not a full circles. Observe the diagram. Longitudes are not a full circles. They are semicircles connecting pole to pole. Here it is North Pole and South Pole, connecting North Pole to South Pole, South Pole to North Pole. And every longitude cuts across every latitude. Here latitudes also here. So every longitude cuts across every latitude. Okay. Now, longitudes that pass through the astronomical observatory at Greenwich, England is called 0 degrees meridian. 0 degrees meridian. And prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. So there are 360 longitudes and two groups. One is 0 to 180 degrees, 0 to 180 degrees going to east, and which are the east longitudes, and 0 to 180 degrees going to west, which are the west longitudes. At the same time, there are 180 longitudes to east and 180 to the west of Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. Moving to the GMT, the longitudes 180 degrees directly opposite to the 0 degrees latitudes. The longitudes directly opposite to the longitudes 180 degrees directly opposite to 0 degrees longitudes. Okay, it is called anti-meridian. So longitudes are also called meridians. What is meridian? Meridian means noon. Okay, longitudes are located to time. Longitudes are related to time. It takes 4 minutes for sun's position to move 1 degree of longitude. Here these are some difference between these two lengths. Okay, 15 to 30. Here 15 degrees is the distance. If 1 degree to another degree, if the sun's position changed into 1 degree to another degree, the time difference is 4 minutes. The time difference is 4 minutes. Okay, the time difference is 4 minutes if the sun's position changed 1 degree to another degree. So therefore the world is divided into 24 time zones starting from the Greenwich meridian. As you go east from Greenwich meridian, you add time. If you go east from Greenwich meridian, you can add time. As you go west to Greenwich meridian, you can subtract that time. The width of the each time zone is 15 degrees. Here observe that the width of the each time zone is 15 degrees. Now moving to the IST, Indian Standard Time. To avoid these all confusions from of your time from one place to another place, we can use a standard value, that is 821 degrees by 2 eastern longitudes. Okay, to avoid the confusion of from one place to another place about time, 821 degrees by 2 eastern longitudes is taken as the standard time. So that is IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, so we already know the exact difference between the Greenwich and IST, Greenwich Mean Time and IST. The difference is plus 5.5 hours. Okay, so what we call latitudes It is also a Latin word, latitudo. Latitudo means width, and longitudes. It is called. It is comes from Latin words longitudo. This means length. Okay. Okay, students. Thanks for watching.